Well, a good Saturday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home, the Sticks, and I hope everybody's having a good Saturday and a good start to the weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you it's hotter than an aluminum foil sweatshirt. It's sure enough hot, probably touching the hundreds right now with the humidity. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is I reckon we're going to talk about 3 things that really suck over here. Give me a second and I'm finna show you. All right, let's talk about the first thing that really sucks over here, and that is the rain. It has been raining dang near every day for almost seems like a month. And when it rains, can't cut no grass. And what you looking at is a bunch of Bahia grass. That stuff right there. And it is probably, close to 1.5 foot tall. I just haven't been able to get out here and cut the grass. Reckon I could cut it, but I'll end up getting stuck and tearing something up. Look how high this Bahia grass is. Look here, dang near up to my waist. So I have not been able to get out here and cut the grass in quite a few weeks, seems like. I actually got up there with the tractor, run it in 4-wheel drive and did some bush hogging. Grass looks like crap, but I got some of it cut down, but I'm not gonna attempt it today. It's just too daggum hot. So that's the first thing that really sucks. Let me show you the second. Look at there. Look at that pool. DJ and I actually got the pump out, so we're gonna pump this pool out. We're gonna have to clean it, disinfect it, and something else to it, and we're gonna try to start it all over again. Now, what I'm gonna say is I have spent hundreds of dollars on chemicals trying to get this pool back to looking clear. What happens is when it rained as much as it has, the rain gets into the pool, lose a whole bunch of the chlorine, rain stops, it gets really hot like today, then I start having algae problems. That's gonna be number 2 thing that really sucks over here. I spent a whole bunch of money on some stuff from a business and they was like, hey, you need this and this, tomorrow that water will be clear, it'd just be clear and you can get down in it. Guess what? Nah. It looks horrible. We got some tadpoles growing up in there. Might as well go and get me a few dang bass and some brim and maybe some white perch and stick them in there and get to fishing instead of swimming. Dan, if it sucks so bad, why you smiling? Well, why get mad? It is what it is. It's just one of them things, nature. But it's just a minor setback because we sure enough want to get in the pool, but we can't because it looks like, I don't know, a pond here. All right, so let's talk about the third and final thing that really sucks over here lately. Yeah, it's hot out here. Look at there. Pool pump outlet. Doesn't work anymore. Yes, pool pump is disconnected and shut off at the breaker, so that's why I'm grabbing it like I am. I got to replace this thing. Found out pump wasn't pumping, so it wasn't filtering the water because something is wrong with this outlet. So, go to Lowe's, get another one, plug it back in, so I can get the pump running again. We can't do any of that until we get the pool pumped out and cleaned up. What can you do? It is what it is. Reckon this is gonna be a short video. I think today, once the sun goes down maybe, I'm gonna get the 0 turn out and try to knock down some of that Bahia grass and get this lawn cut. I got to get over there. I just got a whole bunch of daggum grass to cut over here. Try to get a few more other things done. The peas are just about finished. Probably gonna go out there, walk around, see if we can't hustle up another bushel or so of peas. Doubt it, but gonna go check that out. So, but more importantly, can't really do much over here at the home of the Sticks because of the heat. It is stupid hot over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you. Almost to the point where it's dangerously hot. Got to stay hydrated. So if you're in a heat like this, stay hydrated. So again, I hope everybody's having a good Saturday, and I hope everybody stays safe over the weekend amid this crisis that we still have going on again. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homestead channel, Lord of Mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like pumping the pool out. That being said, you know it's coming down reference, sure enough, I always gon' say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.